So we're slaying the fresh shrimp tonight. Look at these babies. They're gonna be deadly. Anyway, somebody, he's not a big fan of shrimp. He's like, can't we have some chicken or beef or steak or something? He's like, we gotta eat these darn shrimp. Anyway, I made some, what is this? Let's see, this is egg noodles, ground pork, 50 billion jalapenos, jalapeno jelly, chili peppers. Look at those jalapenos. Anyway, it's gonna be nice, but it's gonna be super spicy. And then we're gonna throw some nice shrimp on top. This one's like, I don't know about shrimp on top. Let's just ignore that. He's from Mexico, so he wants to just stick to the jalapenos. It's gonna be good. He's like, okay, I'll force it down.